All right, everybody. Well, let's try our luck with another one of these equations, these rational equations. And this one looks to be relatively simple this time, right? What is our LCD? Well, the LCD in this case is equal to 2 times x. So that's what we'll go with here. LCD. What's happening here? Fun. Our least common denominator is 2x. So we're going to multiply every term on both sides by 2x. Let's see what happens this time. Well, we're going to get 2x. I'm going to treat it over 1 times x over 2 plus 20 over x. Remember, we're going to distribute. Would equal 7 times 2x. Now let's see, if we distribute right here to the first term, 2x times x over 2 is just x squared. Okay, we're going to get an x squared in there. That's okay, we can handle it. Plus 2 times 20, the x's cancel out, giving us 40. And that would be equal to 14x. And since this is now a second degree equation, we need to isolate the equation, setting it equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 14x from both sides and write x squared minus 14x plus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, so we factor. What two factors can we multiply together to give us 40, whose sum is negative 14? Well, yeah, hopefully you've already seen that it has to be negative 10 and it has to be negative 1. Sorry, negative 4, because 10 times 4 is 40. Negative 10 and negative 4 sums to negative 14. So that's good. So we set each factor equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0, meaning that x equals 10 is a potential solution. And x minus 4 is equal to 0. So that x equals 4 is another potential solution. And we got to make sure that we check, right? We've just seen that it's possible to get no solution if we do some weird things. So let's try it out. Let x equal 10 in our original equation. Does it work? Well, x over 2, which is 10 over 2, plus 20 over 10 should equal 7 if everything's copacetic here. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Yeah, sure. 5 plus 2, that's 7. All right. Yeah, that works. So we're happy. There's a good solution. And how about our other one, x equals 4? Does that one work? Well, let's give it a shot. We're going to take 4 over 2. We're going to add 20 over 4. And if all's correct here, we should get 7. Well, yeah, we get 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And just like in the last case, it doesn't matter which order you put it in. 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, we have two solutions. X equals 10, x equals 4. Okay, one more example coming up.